Your Truly Free non-toxic signature scented laundry wash gives your family the cleanest, freshest smelling clothes without using any toxic and harmful chemicals. Using a non-toxic formula of natural salts and plant oils, it easily dissolves dirt and grime from clothes without leaving any toxic film behind like those store-bought detergents do. Truly Free's refillable cleaning system makes laundry so much easier. Just use one of the recyclable refill pouches that arrive at your door every month to make more laundry wash whenever you need it right at your own home, saving you money and trips to the store. Refilling your jug takes less than 45 seconds. Just add warm water to the shoulder fill line, pour in one refill pouch, top off with more water, and shake. Choose your ounce depending on the size of the load you have. For a regular size load, start with 1 ounce for a high efficiency washing machine. For extra soiled loads or larger size load, add an additional 1 ounce. For standard washing machines, start with 2 ounces for a regular size load. And for extra soiled loads or a larger size load, add an additional 1 ounce of laundry wash. And that's it. Enjoy clean, fresh smelling, non-toxic laundry. And remember, add more refill packages to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.